it again. It's hard to practice all these moves at once. Just one more time. I know I'll make it. 3-pointer. Wow, I'm really stinking right here. God darn it. Finally! Okay, that's my, wait, that's my basketball moves. Watch what I can do. Okay, hey everybody. So I just made that basketball video out of random, and I really stunk. So as you can see, I am the co-creator of the puppet show. My dad is the creator, so, well, I came up with a name, so shouldn't I? Okay, I guess. See ya till my next video. Okay, and that video was LOL. Okay guys, see ya. I'm gonna zoom in.